Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we're going to be making butter chicken. So to start, we need 3/4 cups of yogurt. In terms of spices, we have a few black seeds, which are optional, salt according to taste, 1 tablespoon of butter chicken masala from any brand, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin and coriander. Also, we have here 1.5 freshly squeezed lemons and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And finally, we have 1.5 pounds of leg and thigh boneless chicken chopped into 1-inch cubes. So now we've cooked this until all the water evaporated, and now we're going to add half a cup of unsalted butter. And now we're going to add 473 milliliters of 18% table cream. And 1.5 tablespoon of tomato paste.